All right, well, it happened. The worst scenario happened. However, there are going to be a lot of positives that come out of this. We have to stay strong during this period because, listen, we knew this was going to be bad. Did we know it was going to be over 9%? The inflation rates, CPI data out today. If you're, just waking up or you're just tuning in, you're just checking this out. Well, we're going to jump into it here in this video. And listen, I mean, this was to be expected. You have to be ready for these moments. We could see this coming. We could see this data coming, and we knew it was going to be bad, but it's really bad. And again, we'll get through it, but let's jump in. We got to jump into this. So, surging gas prices drove the rate of inflation to 9.1%. Now, by raising rates, the Fed aims to cool off the economy just enough to bring down inflation, ideally without triggering a recession. That is their goal here. So, are we still do we still have recession concerns looming? Certainly we do. It depends which economists you listen to right now. Many think perhaps we're already in a mini recession right now, or we're on the verge of one, and the Feds could twist us out of this scenario. Many economists are doubtful that they can succeed, though. So other economists believe that, hey, yes, they can taper rates now, but it's too late. If we're not already in a recession, we're heading for one in 2023. Regardless, we're playing the long game here, right? We're here for the long haul, and we have to look at these moments as opportunities because when the markets come back, I promise you, people who put crypto down during these times and didn't look for opportunities, because there are a ton of them across the board right now, people who were not looking for opportunities across the board, they're going to be upset that they let these opportunities slide by. Which opportunities am I looking at? Well, XRP at 30 cents, Cardano at 40 cents, Tron down here. That's a good price for Tron at 6 cents. Look at SHIB giving back a zero. So many different opportunities. Kronos here at 10. Now, things are bouncing here a little bit. You could see the big nosedive that Bitcoin took right here on the chart. It is bouncing back slightly here. We'll see if this trend continues, but I think we're going to have another leg down here if I had to guess. Okay, this is the lowest we've seen in the last week for Bitcoin as it broke 19.5 thousand. And here in the month, of course, we're not yet to the bottom. The bottom in the last month was that 17.7 number or 17.5, depending on which chart you look at. That was back on the 18th of June. Many people we say will retest that. And with this data coming out and all the other macroeconomic factors at play, I think it's a really good estimate, right? Really good estimate that we come down here and test these numbers. I've mentioned this before, Cardano at 40 cents. If we go sub 40 cents, I am looking to add because that is the lowest point we've seen Cardano at this year, okay? Let me minimize this a little bit. Go to the 1 year, and you can see the lowest point we had for Cardano was 39 cents, and we are heading right down in there right now to being the lowest point we've seen for ADA. I've been dollar cost averaging here. I'll continue to do the same here. Cardano remains a top 10 currency. I really like where it's heading long term. Again, we're going to get through this together. We knew it was going to be bad. Nothing has changed. We knew inflation data, many people had it at 8.6%. Okay, it came in worse, but we even talked about that yesterday on the live stream that some people were predicting 9%. Well, what was it? 9.1%. So we knew this was coming. Now, what do we do about it? How are we going to handle this adversity? Are we going to, run away from the crypto market and lose out on these opportunities? Or are we going to seek out these opportunities? And I understand everybody doesn't have dry powder on the sideline, but there are things all of us can do to ensure that we save more, spend less, and have more money to invest. That's what I've got for you here in the video. Let me know your thoughts about it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for popping in, and we'll get through this, but it's bad. It's rough out there, and I don't see it getting better anytime soon in the near distant future. But again, we'll ride this thing out together, and on the other end, there will be a lot of light on the other side. Thank you so much for popping in. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.